For accelerated review, you can count on Relativity powered by Fios. An enhanced Relativity experience, our unique Fios Viewer reveals hidden data in Excel and PowerPoint without downloading native Office documents. Let's look at a few examples. This first example is an Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, Fios has configured an alert to indicate to the reviewer that this document contains hidden data. This is an Enron financial spreadsheet, and we are currently viewing it in Relativity's native file viewer. We know that it contains hidden content because of the alert, but it may not be immediately apparent which content is hidden. We can see here, for example, that column A is hidden, but there may be additional columns, rows, cells, worksheets, or even comments and header information that have been hidden by the creator of the document. Rather than navigate through the multiple Excel spreadsheet tabs for this hidden content, or spend time downloading the native, both cumbersome and time-consuming review strategies for these types of documents, we can click on the Fios Viewer. See how fast it loads regardless of size. As we can see, potentially important header information has been exposed. Also, we can see that column A is now visible, along with all other columns and rows that were hidden by the document creator. As is often relevant in reviewing these financial documents, with the Fios Viewer, we can hover over a cell to expose the formulas embedded within the document. The Fios Viewer renders as a flat file, so you just need to scroll down through the document to move from worksheet to worksheet. As you can see here, comments have been exposed as well, more critical information that might otherwise have been missed. And then, all you need to do is scroll down further to view the rest of the document. You'll have confidence not to miss a worksheet as they are displayed sequentially as you scroll through. The next example is a Word document. Here, Fios has configured another alert to indicate the presence of content not visible within the native file viewer. As we can see, this is a tax update memo in its finalized form. Once we pull up the Fios Viewer, we start to see more hidden content such as this header information. As we scroll down through the document, we can see how the Fios Viewer has exposed track changes, such as in the middle section. We can scroll down further and see more track changes. And as we scroll to the bottom of the document, we see that entire notes were struck from the final version. In this case, we have notes about deleting some specific sections. And over here, reference to receipt of drafts by a separate individual who is not part of this document collection, something the legal team might want to follow up on. As we can see, with the Fios Viewer, more critical information has been exposed and is conveniently available to the reviewer. This last example is a large PowerPoint document. Fios has provided another alert, but this one indicates the presence of speaker notes. As we can see, this is a sizable PowerPoint that has exceeded Relativity's threshold for display within the native file viewer. The common alternative to review this document would be to take the time to download the native. But with the Fios Viewer, we don't have a file size threshold, and even though it's a large, color-rich document, it pulls up quickly. As with the Excel file, the slides are displayed one after the other as you scroll down through the document, so you don't miss any of these slides as you conduct your review. Another thing we do at Fios is TIFF all documents, so they are available at the start of the review for immediate redaction and annotation, and we do this at no additional charge. If requested, we can also display the PowerPoint speaker notes on the TIFF images. As you can see here, they are always displayed at the end of the TIFF image with an indication of the corresponding page. Unique to Fios, the Fios Viewer reveals hidden data in Excel spreadsheets and PowerPoints without having to download native Office documents, significantly accelerating your rate of review. In the end, it's going to provide you and your teams with time and cost savings, as well as the confidence that you are not missing anything of value.